welcome to our Better Together Power Hour class. I know we haven't rolled this one out yet, like today's the first time, but I think this may turn into one of our best sellers. The colors, the words, just everything about it is so stinking cute. Okay, like always, it's 20 pages, 10 double page spreads to make the Power Hour class. You want to start by getting all the work out of the way first. And I think maybe not the simplest, because, I mean, we did Life, Liberty, and Happiness that just had the same cut, but this is all we're cutting, okay? And the work's gonna be done. So easy. So let's knock this out together. I'm gonna mark these off as we go. This first 6x6 fun sheet, we're gonna cut in half at 3. Well, how about that? We can check one off. The blue one, we're gonna cut into 2x6 strips. So I will measure it 4 and I will measure it 2. And that gives me these 3 pieces. Now, the next 2 tells us we need 2 sheets of each of these. So on my guillotine, I can cut my 2 at the same time. So I'm gonna do the same thing to get the 2-inch pieces. 4, I measured it 4 to give me a 2-inch. And then I measured it 2. So now I have 6 pieces of this really cute plaid. Cut 2 of that. And then we need 2 pieces of this buffalo check with a 4x6 and a 2x6. That's all we need. We've done all the work for these now. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to put these pages together.